God. We are on Falcon's flight in the front row. Six Flags Qiddiya. Our first front row ride. Mark, are you fucking excited?
Yeah, I want to roll back so bad.
Oh boy. Here we go. Launch starts like right now. Oh boy.
You can do one hand up, one hand for the G-force.
Whoa! 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 Little floater. Whoa! Oh, a little bit of floater. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Holy shit! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh, we made it! Oh my God! Look at this view! Oh, this is insane! Wow, man! Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, holy crap. Look at all of this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa, dude! Oh my God! Whoa! Holy shit! Whoa! What a ride, man! Unreal! That launch is so ridiculous.
Oh I like the wind a lot. It's good.
Oh my God, dude! Holy shit!
Look at my hair. Everything is flown away. It was so good.
What an unbelievable coaster, man!
All right.
That's just so ridiculous. One of the best coasters ever built. It's the most. That's, oh my God. I can't stop smiling. That was Falcon's flight in the front row. Oh my God.
We hit negative a little bit less than 1 G, 0.97, then 4.14 vertical Gs. But that was like an empty train beginning of the day.
That's
pretty solid.
Insane. Insane. Woo! Unreal.